Hey, just giving a quick update here. Got the plate on. We're using lithium batteries now. Got the new amp in there. Lithium battery box. You're losing a couple pounds on the weight since you don't have that big SLA battery. Everything's wired up. There's a new way to charge. It goes on the back right there. You'll get a new charger. But yeah, power's there, volume knob's there. We're still using this as an aux input if you want. These are your tone controls that you had before. The last step will be programming the amp. So I can spend some time with it and create a crossover in there. So one amp goes to this big speaker and the other one goes to these little guys. And I can kind of split the frequency up a little bit there digitally. And then what I'll do is actually in the mix for Bluetooth or analog, I'll take both left and right signals, combine them into one so that you hear the same sound from every speaker. And that'll be cool. That'll make it essentially mono for the rest of the signal chain. And then I could probably do some tone shaping if you wanted, where I add some bass just to the overall signal. And yeah, that's probably it. So another day sitting with it. But all the pesky, difficult stuff that I was avoiding in the garage is done. So now it's just a little bit of computer programming. And then it should be easy to swap out these tweeters. I have a couple in mind. Basically, they unscrew from the other side. That's pretty straightforward. But anyway, that's where we're at. Thanks for waiting. It's on its way. Probably next week we can ship it. I do want to just find a couple replacement speakers that look like this and have them sent to me. So we'll see. But yeah, we can talk about that one. But it looks pretty good. I guess the next steps would be to go ahead and look for similar speakers for that other suitcase. And that'll be the real variable there, finding a suitable set locally. Yeah, this thing is still pretty heavy. It's heavier than most of my builds, which is interesting. I'm not totally sure where the weight's coming from. It must be the magnet on one of the speakers. So I see why you crate shipped it. At the price you paid, I could almost just have one of those iShip guys basically take it to you. They're basically guys in Sprinter vans that go around picking up loads, dropping them off. And so you wouldn't even go through the whole UPS conveyor belt nonsense. That might be another option. It might actually work out to be cheaper. It just depends on how many bids we get for that. But anyway, things are moving. Thanks for waiting. It's turning out good though. It's a lot more stable of a build. The other build was definitely I know there's a lot of prone errors in that signal chain with those components. This one should be good for a long time. All right, I'll talk to you later.